WordPress scanning using WPScan tool. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about what is WPScan tool inside Kali Linux and then how we can use it for vulnerability analysis. So what you need to do here, you need to open Kali Linux operating system, and inside that I'm going to show you that how you can use WPScan tool for WordPress based website scanning. So now guys, I'm here at Kali Linux operating system, and first of all let me show you that where the WPScan tool is. So if you can click on applications, if you can select web application and analysis, then at the end you can see that WPScan tool is available right here, right? So if you can click here, then you can open it inside the terminal of Kali Linux, right? So this is WPScan tool. Let me zoom it for you. Right, this is WPScan. These all are the options available here which can be used, right? These all are the options here. These are the examples, right? You can also check if there is any manual entry or not for it. So you can type here man command, man space WPScan, hit enter. So there is no manual entry for WPScan tool here. Alright. So what we can do here, first of all let's talk about our target. So our target is obviously a WordPress website. We all know that WordPress is a kind of platform which can be used to create your blogs on or websites, right? So you can open the browser of Kali Linux operating system, right? And let me show you my personal website which is based on WordPress, right? This is just to show you that how WordPress website looks like and how it operates. So on Google, let me type my website name here. So this is my website, sunilkgupta.com. If you can open it. So this is my website. This is my personal website, and that's why I'm showing you that how WordPress website looks like. So this is a WordPress theme, right? This is a WordPress theme, and the theme name is Color Mag. So Color Mag is the name of the theme of WordPress, and I have used that theme, and using that theme I have created my personal website here, right? So how you can check that this is a WordPress website? It's pretty easy, right? You need to check the login page of this website where you can get the logo of WordPress. So you can type here /admin and hit enter, and here it is. So you can see here that this is the logo of WordPress, right? And inside login page you will be able to see that this website is based on WordPress. So you can see here that it is asking for username and email address as well as the password. So let me show you that how WordPress website looks like in the backend. So let me type my email ID here, and then I will type my password. Right, click login, and you will be able to access the backend. Basically I'm able to access the backend. So this is the backend of that WordPress website, right, where I can manage my website, I can make changes, right? This is my website, and you can see all the information available here. If you want to post something, what are the pages available, products if you want to add something, right? So all these settings are available here, right? You can see the post here if you click here. So all the posts are available here. Pages, comments, products. So these all are the products available in the stock. So that's how you can also manage your website. You can also manage your WordPress website at the backend, right? And it's pretty easy to use WordPress. That's why millions of websites on the internet is based on WordPress themes. So you can see here that a lot of websites are based on WordPress theme. Mine is also based on the same WordPress. So a particular tool is available inside Kali Linux which can be used to attack on these WordPress website. And as I already shown you, the tool name is WPScan, right, which is already inside Kali Linux, right. The most important part of WPScan is that it can perform brute force attack on the login page of the WordPress website, right. Let me log out from here. So this is the login page of admin, right. I'm the admin of this website. So if I want to go to the backend, first of all I need to log in here, then I can go the backend. So how to perform brute force attack on this login panel and how to gather information about the usernames or passwords, etc. That can be done using WPScan tool, right. So let me show you that how you can do this using WPScan. Now I can minimize it. So first of all, open a terminal inside Kali Linux operating system, and let's find out the username of this WordPress website or any WordPress website. So again, I'm saying you that if you have your personal WordPress website, then you can perform these kind of attack. Don't try to attack on someone else WordPress website, that will be illegal. So you can type here WPScan-h, and these all are the examples available here, you can check, right. So which one we should use to find out the username of that particular website? We can try this one. So enumerate users, you can try this one. What kind of theme I am using, you can try this one. If you want to check the plugins, then you can try this one. All these options are available, right. For example, let me show you how you can enumerate users. So this is the command wpscan -url, then the website name -enumerate space u. So you can copy it and you can come down, you can clear the terminal, and here you can paste it. Let me edit this command here. So wpscan space -url space. Now I need to type my website name here, which is sunilkgupta.com space -enumerate space u. Means we are trying to find out the usernames of the website. Sometimes it is helpful, that's why. So hit enter. Now you can see here that WPScan has started. It is asking that do you want to follow the redirection? So you can type N. No, we don't want to follow the redirection. Hit enter. And now it will try to provide you information about my website. For example, you can see the URL, when the scan was started, robot.txt, information is showing you here. Interesting entry from robots, you can check here, right. You can also get information about the WordPress using this link. So it has started the scanning of my website. Now it is saying that the server I am using is Apache, that's correct. The PHP version we are using is PHP/7.1.18. Let me come up. As I already told you that the WordPress theme I am using is color mag, right. It is also showing you right here. If you can come down, you can check the theme by using this link, right. Enumerating plugins, no plugins found. I'm not using any plugin. Enumerating usernames. So here it is. So you can see here that I'm able to access the usernames of my website, right. So it is possible that you can use this username to log in inside my website. You just need a password. Username is already there, right. So you can see here that login is Sunil K Gupta. The name Sunil K Gupta -Sunil K. So I got the username of the admin panel of my website using WPScan. I haven't given input. I just provided the website name and WPScan has done the rest things. So I got the username here, Sunil K. Gupta. So these usernames can be helpful. It is a possibility that using this username you can also get the password. Otherwise you also need email address, right? So for example, if you have email address, let me show you inside the website. So here there are two possibilities. One is basically using username and second is using email address, right? For example, there are usernames available, but using those usernames you are not able to log in. Like my website contains a username. For example, there are email addresses available, and using that email address you can log in, right? So sometimes a little bit of social engineering can work for you, right? So I got the username and this can be helpful, right? Next is, for example, if there are email address and the password inside my website, so how I can perform brute force attack on the login page of the website if the website contains email address and password, not the username, right? For example, if I tried some social engineering about that website owner and I got the email address, right, but I don't have a password. So WPScan can help you in that condition. It can perform brute force attack on the login page if you provide it a dictionary, and then it will provide you the right password. Let me show you. So first of all, let me create a file here, and inside that I'm going to type, for example, 4 or 5 passwords, and let's see WPScan can find out the right one or not. So let me type some passwords here, and using these passwords I will try to log in inside my admin panel. So I have typed my password. Let me save it. I can save it on the desktop with the name pass.txt, right? Click save, and I have saved it on the desktop of my Kali Linux operating system. Now you can open the terminal here. You can clear it, right? So what we can do here, let me type the command to perform brute force attack. So first of all, command is WPScan space -u. You need to provide here the URL. So URL can be www.sunilkgupta.com/admin space word list space. You need to provide the word list which we have created on desktop. So /root/desktop/pass.txt space. Then you need to provide here the username. Username can be email address which you have gathered using social engineering attack. So the username is the email address, Sunil Gupta, right? So I got the email address somehow, and using that email address you can perform brute force attack, right? So this is the command WPScan -u. This is the login link here, not the website link, a login page link. Space --word list. You need to provide the word list here which you have created on the desktop. --username. You need to provide here the username or the email address, right? First of all, you can try with the username which we have found in the previous command. If that doesn't work, then perform social engineering attack and try to find out the email ID of the admin panel, and then you can try this. This is the email ID, and then you can hit enter. So now you can see here that the scan has started inside WPScan. Now it is asking that do you want to follow the redirection, so you can type Y, yes, and hit enter, and then it will try to scan the website. It will try to perform brute force attack on the login page of the WordPress website. So you just need to wait here until it provides us the username and password of the login page. So guys, here you can see that I got the login username and password of the WordPress login page, right? Here you can see that this is the login which I have provided, and this is the password which it has selected from the dictionary I have provided, right? So you can also check the login name and the password of my WordPress login page or the backend, right? And using that login and password, anyone can log in inside my website, anyone can make some changes, anyone can take down my complete website. So that can be done by an attacker to your website, right? So that's how you can check that if WPScan is able to crack your password or not, right? You can basically make your password more complex, right? So it will be hard for the attacker to find out your password. So this is all about WPScan tool. In the next video, we are going to learn about installation of Nessus. Thank you.